No internet access but connected to the Wi-Fi or Ethernet in Windows 11. I will show you how to resolve quickly. I will give you multiple methods that will resolve 100% your issues. So in my case, even you can see here I am connected, but it is showing that no internet access. So whenever when I open the browser, and you can see you are not connected, it is showing that you are not connected. So how to resolve this issue? So let's start from the beginning. Now, the first of all, what you need to come here you need to come here, search menu, and then click type for control control panel, and from here you need to click on small icons, and you will need to find internet options. Now go to connections tab and then LAN settings. If you see any proxy servers like this here added, just simply uncheck this option and select automatically detect settings and hit OK. Now go to advanced options and restore advanced settings and apply OK. Also you can try to remove you can try to remove any VPN if you have maybe by mistake any added VPN. So from connections tab you will see here there is a VPN, so you need to remove, hit OK, and then click OK, and this may be resolve your issue. And in case it doesn't solve your issue, now we'll go to second method, follow the next method. Now open start menu, hit settings, then Wi-Fi, and from here network and internet, then Wi-Fi. From here click on Wi-Fi. Now here you need to check if there is any manual IP address manual or DNS assigned to the network. From here you can see if any other, as you can see, assigned. If you find here any manual IP address here, you have to select automatic IP address or DNS. Just click on edit, and then you need to click on automatic, then click on save, and then from here. But if you get this method, the DNS setting for all networks have been set. So you need to go to the control panel. You need to disable manually IP address. Go to network and internet and click on advanced network settings, then Wi-Fi. And from here click on view additional properties. From here you can change the IP from manual to automatic. Just edit and select the IP automatic, save it, and same for the DNS setting. By chance if you are not getting these options, you can go to control panel, just type control panel, go to network and sharing center, then Wi-Fi, and then click properties, double click on internet protocol. By in case if there is any manual IP address, you need to uncheck and you need to click on obtain IP address automatically in here, and also this area, click OK. Now from here click OK. This will remove manual IP address and it will solve your issue. In case this method also doesn't work, now follow the third method. Now we'll go to third method, go to start menu, click on settings, and from here system, and you will see troubleshoot option, and you will click on other troubleshooters, You need to go network and internet. Now after clicking run, it will take little bit time to run. Now it will start running, and it will start guessing the problem, and it will start getting the issues. So in my case there is no issue, but in your case what you need to do, you need to click on restart the Wi-Fi network adapter. Click on that, click on restart adapter. Now just wait few seconds. After that, if in this case it is not running, you need to go to the, you can run manually. You can go to control panel, and in control panel you need to go network and sharing center. Now from here click on change adapter settings. Now here you need to right click on that, click on disable, and after that click on enable. So hopefully it will solve your issue. Just restart your computer. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.